welcome back to another edition of the vlog. Today we're going back to a place we went to last year called the 626 Night Market. If you remember, I'll put the link right here in the corner so you can take a look at last year's edition. This year we're going back and eating some more delicious food, so let's get started. There's 2 tickets in there.
It did work. Wow.
So both of them are good?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Let's dance the night away.
Walk around and see what looks good first. The only problem I have with these food festivals is actually choosing what to eat. So, alright, let's get going to the first one. Round 1, you got a pork steam bun. Looks delicious. A little bit of the sauce here. Wash it down with a little bit of watermelon juice. Lobster noodles. It's got some of those egg noodles that you find in chow mein. And bits and pieces of delicious lobster meat in there. And I think there was a little bit of cheese on top that looks like it. So, pretty good. And it's made fresh, so it's great. Luckily now, last year they didn't have tables, so now they have tables where you can actually eat at, or if you don't want to stand, they have benches you can sit at as well. If you're coming to one of these food festivals, the key is to come with friends. Buy one thing, share it so that everybody gets a taste of it, and then pretty much just like buy as much food as you can with what you can afford. So that's my game plan. What's yours? By the way, I'm not a professional food blogger or anything, so this is just my thinking of what I like to eat, and hopefully you like to eat the same things too. If you're vegetarian, vegan, or just eat fish, they have those options for you as well. So definitely plenty to go around. Souvenir mason jar. Number 2, katsu sandwich. Medium rare, just how I like it. The crispy crust around the meat's pretty good. Nice little fatty texture around the edge there. Very delicious. And it is freshly made. Australian Wagyu slider. They had American and Japanese, but you know, we went to the middle of the two, so we went to the Australian Wagyu. It came with a little bit of a side salad and grilled onions as well. Really good. I wish it was a bigger sandwich, but that's alright. The katsu filled that void of a larger sandwich. It's basically, it's like a burger, except the buns are 2 slices of sandwich bread. Wash it down with a little water. Watermelon lemonade. Or no, watermelon juice. Time for a refill. Alright, round number 2 complete. I think we're moving on to dessert. Super cute. I'll start with the back side first. Chocolate mousse, and they have matcha, passion fruit, and a couple other flavors. Now that I've been drinking the watermelon juice, it actually reminds me of a Filipino drink called melon, which is made of cantaloupe, water, and some sugar for sweetening or whatever sweetener you want. So it definitely tastes like that. Now that I've been drinking a whole glass full of it. I think we'll call it a night, but on the way out, there's one dessert I do want to get.
Hi, how are you?
What are your ube choices?
I have an ube cookie, ube blondie, ube regular macaron, and ube ice cream macaron.
Thank you.
You have a good night, okay? Hi guys, good evening.
Ube macaroon ice cream. So good. And you already know I love anything ube, so gotta support my Filipinos. Alright, we're done for tonight. Had lots of good food. Now the arduous task of trying to find the car. Okay. Alright, back home and with full happy bellies, and I'm really happy with what we chose this time around. Thank you so much for joining me on this year's trip to the 626 Night Market. I will put the link in the description below if you want to check out any information on future 626 events. Definitely check it out. I would suggest bringing cash if you can, as some vendors do not accept credit cards and debit cards, so just a little tip there. But also bring friends so you can share all the delicious food and eat as much as you can at the same time. But for now, do come back next week as I will have a whole new adventure waiting for you, so you do not want to miss out on any of that. Until then, I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. I'm going to enjoy the rest of this evening and the remainder of my watermelon drink, so I'll see you all next time. Take care.